Hello, hello. What do you think? Oh wow, it's gummies. Let's head on over there. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 16. No, there's a bump on my tongue. Yo, what's up guys? Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 17. So we're starting this in the same place that we started yesterday, headed to school. Except my mother is running 10 minutes late today. She always threatens us that if we run late, we have to take the bus. Now she has to take the bus. We're headed to school. I'm wearing the new champion sweatshirt that Cole got me and I'm wearing my Crocs to match it. Let's head on over there. Lauren, what do you think of my sweatshirt?
Oh yeah, I was about to take one.
Isn't it cute? You like it? Cole got it for me for Christmas.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, it's not Christmas.
Okay, but like we did our little exchange early.
Like the video?
Yeah. Isn't it fun? We're inside now though, and like I said yesterday, I finished my study guide, so I'm doing Spanish because I have so much Spanish. I'm writing about Salma Hayek. I think that's how you say her name. Yes, Salma Hayek. She's my Spanish person that I'm doing it on. Yeah, you have to choose somebody from either Mexico, Spain, Colombia, or Cuba, and I'm doing Mexico. I'm in 4th period now, and Cole's here, and I brought him cookies. My mom makes the best cookies in the entire world, and he literally loves them. He asks her to make them all the time. So I brought him a few. What do you think? We actually had...
I'm wearing your shirt.
Oh yeah, he's wearing the new shirt. I'm wearing my new champion. He is wearing his new champion. Today in our film class, we had a little like holiday celebration party. So they brought in like pizza and I had pizza and...
It was just so lit.
I didn't record anything though because you know, living in the moment. I'm trying to get better at that. We're just chilling here now. I'm almost done editing my project for Jamie and her mother for my final exam.
I cried.
Cole cried. It was really, really cute. Tomorrow is my math and history final exam. So I have to study for that tonight.
And I only have history.
I have 2 tomorrow. He has 1, so pray for me. It's 5:15 and I've been home from school for around like 3 or 2 something hours like that. I've actually been quite very productive. I finished my entire final exam for my film class, the one that I filmed with Jamie's mom, and I'm actually really happy about it. I already submitted it, so that is already 1 final completely done. Tomorrow I actually have to take my math and my history final, so I really need to study, but I'm exhausted and I still don't feel 100% better. I've been taking it easy though. Finishing that project took me around like 2 hours though. Finally finished editing, exporting, filming, uploading, submitting, so we're all done with that. I don't know what happened to my tongue, but there's like a bump on it. I either bit my tongue or burned it. Like, can y'all even see that? There's like a bubble on my tongue and it's right at the tip of my tongue, so it hurts, and every time I talk I feel like I'm talking with a lisp because it hurts. I also need to wash some clothes, put them in the dirty, and get my clean clothes from upstairs. All I really want to do right now is lay in bed, but I cannot do that because finals are tomorrow and I'm kind of stressed. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and get my laundry, my clean laundry. Are these all my clothes, Dad? You went through them? Yeah. Thank you. I was just about to do that. Big laundry girl. Hello. Bless you. Hello, Mello. Hello. 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 Everyone should go follow her on Instagram. Gabby doesn't have one yet, but she's featured on there a lot. I finished my project and submitted it.
Good job.
If you're stressed out for finals, clap your hands. Well, it's been like 30 minutes and I just been doing my world history study guide. Y'all, world history is so hard for me because I don't retain information very easily. It has to be repeatedly put in my head, and this is stuff we literally learned like 4, 5, 6 months ago. It's just not sticking, so whatever. We're gonna do our advent calendar to make me feel better. Oh wow, it's gummies. This is my hardest day of finals. I think I'm gonna get this vlogmas up super soon, and that way I can just study all night. I'm sorry if it's kind of short. We don't believe it. I don't know what to do to make this vlog interesting. I have all of these clean clothes that I need to put away. I always have clean clothes and I just never put them away. The first giveaway winner received her package. I still have to ship out the second giveaway winner. I have it all packaged up. I just need to write her address and everything and take it to the post office. But I think I'll be doing the 3rd giveaway on the 20th of Vlogmas. That's what I'm thinking. Honestly, don't know how long this vlog is, but I really need to study for finals, so I think I'm gonna end it here. If this is 2 minutes, I am so sorry. Thanks for watching them. I love you guys. I promise that vlogs will get better probably tomorrow, because tomorrow I have finals, but I get out at 12:30. I have a lot of time in the afternoon, although I'm still going to be studying. Hopefully I'll get some more content. I love you guys. I hope you have good exam weeks, midterms, finals, whatever you call it, and I'll see you tomorrow for vlogmas day 18. Peace in the Middle East.